She's running! Hey! Okay.
Yeah, do I hand?
Figured I'd give you an update on the Jeep. Ta-da! So we ran the Painless wireless all across the top and down in here. I actually bought an HEI distributor, one of those Amazon ones. Hopefully they work. So I don't have to run, so I can get rid of this and get rid of the computer on the other side. The other thing I did is we finished up. The dash is all in and wired. The shifters are in and wired. I have a new shifter that's supposed to go on this that my daughter made. That is really, really cool. I am so excited about it, except that our first attempt at making it to mount didn't work. This is kind of mounted. My next thing I have to do is really permanently mount the roll bar. Quick little update. So I got the radiator in. And I needed an overflow, so I actually connected a little bike holder and a Joe T. We'll see how it works. Kind of windy outside right now, but... Okay, coming over to the other side, we have the HEI distributor. That's all in. I have a relay going to it. I can literally turn the key. It won't start yet because I don't have gas in the fuel tank. I do have the electronic fuel pump connected, but... considering it's going to get winter time and I'm going to have to stop working on this, I figured let's not fill up the tank. I still need to drop it to actually put the sender unit plug in too. So, but yes, we can actually turn the key and here's it really good.
6 months later.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, try one?
Try one. Let's see what this thing actually does.
Alrighty, let's go. I shot a little bit in there. And the choke is half open.
Good, because, well, I can control the choke from here. No, I can't, because there's
no
here.
It's disconnected.
Okay, so I don't need to do anything with gas. We're neutral.
It's either going to start or it's going to fire or something.
You ready?
Yeah. Maybe if we hooked up the battery, it might help.
Yeah.
You think? I mean, it's not that important. Okay, go for it.
Do you want starter fluid? What are you doing?
I put a little bit of fuel in there.
Okay.
Let's just see what happens. Whoa! Hang on. We got.
Pressing the gas pedal won't do anything.
No. We'll try a little bit of this. Okay, give that a try. If not, I'll shoot it with ether. It's not cranking very fast.
No.
I'd like to have seen a little bit more crank out of her.
I don't think the starter has much more crank, to be honest with you.
Never did?
I don't know. I drove it home once.
Alright, give it fire it away. She popped.
Yeah, well, do we have the firing order? Do we have...
No, we just have a fuel issue, that's all. She's dry. She's not cranking very fast, that's what it is.
Well, we can put a jump box on it if you want.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, you want to go grab it?
Where is it?
On the floor next to the gas tanks. Ready for try two?
Ready for try two. It's on choke this time. I'm going to leave it choked. She's trying.
Well, we don't know if we have spark. We don't know if we have fuel. We have fuel, we just don't know if we have spark.
I think we got spark. We don't have much crank.
if we have spark on everybody.
We got spark on something.
Do you want me... We have a tester if you want to look... An inline tester if you want to see if we can spark on everything.
Go for it. Well, take two didn't go.
Nope.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hey, you want to hear something?
Here it goes. We're going to try and start it. So, run, choke out. Yay! Oh, nice. She's running!
We're about to find out if it goes forward. Brakes? Got brakes?
Yeah, they're a little mushy.
That's okay. Hey!
I don't have a day.
Okay, straight out.
I have this problem.
You also had that problem. The wheel's up against the frame. What other problem do you have?
That cross member being the windshield.
Oh, I think you can make it, Bjorn. Well, okay. Oh, all right, that'll work too. Crazy coot. All right, you're up against this cross member down here on with your wheels.
Okay. So I need to. Okay. The problem is.
Okay, good. You're clear now. You crazy. What's that?
Dad, do not go in the front of this thing.
No. That sounds better. You got clutch. You got it, you got it. Go, 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 go. You're gonna need a little bit more room by your motorcycle here.
God, this thing is tall. Yeah, tell me about it.
No power steering?
No, I got a lot of power steering. A lot of loops to get it turning.
All right, that looks pretty good. You happy?
I'm so excited. Okay. Enjoy life. Bye.